I just fell out of my bumper. It's a Craftsman, it's okay. Oh. Okay, this fucker goes in the basement now. Oh! Oh! Hoo-ah! Oh wait, we can't drop the strap.
What?
The tie bar and like.
What about it?
If they don't come off. Jeez.
I've never taken one of them off before, so I don't know how it works.
A cow?
Joe, do you want to chip?
What do you have? Yeah, I'll take one.
Alright, we don't have to film worthless shit.
Car now.
Wait, did you buy the truck?
Yeah. $2,000 cash.
Why couldn't your dad just let you drive it?
I don't really care. Well, the whole reason I was supposed to buy is because
Drive a while.
Cool.
That's
That's fucking dope.
Wait, what?
Alright, so what we're doing today is, what Joey's gonna do today is, I guess he's gonna try to put these 5mm spacers on. And these bad boys. These camber bolts. He's gonna try to get as much camber out in the front as possible to make these bitches fit. Yeet.
Now adjusting top camber plates, pushing them all the way in because they're adjustable here. Hopefully this will be enough to clear my new wheels and get a little tilty. We're gonna see how it goes.
Alright, so the car's down on the ground. Now, as you can see, we try to match it as best as possible camber wise. Fitment's fucking holy fit. But everything went smoothly, right?
Swag.
Shit back together.
I gotta
Do
get
the
it
rear.
back.
Yeah, we're gonna put all that stuff back together. Car in backwards now. And Joey's gonna take the perches out. And then after that, he's gonna roll the fenders and we'll be Gucci. Hopefully it will only be like another 2 hours.
Gang gang.
2-2. Me?
No.
I am.
Huh?
About to take the perch out.
Yeah, perfect.
To do that,
Look.
I have to make this get the whole way up so it's loose. Then I have to break this loose. Fucking twist this bitch as high as I can. And then push down and pull the spring up.
That's it.
And then it would be done.
Tell us.
Well, this is the finished product, bro.
This is finished?
After we roll the fenders, yeah.
This is Carl already?
Almost.
You getting exhaust from this thing?
No.
Quiet it up a little bit. Just shut flops down here.
He's doing really good at fucking your shots.
Smells like masonry.
Yep, let's get some titty music.
Alright, so how do we put this thing back together?